The traditional hi-fi stereo setups that we all have grown up looking at are those typical rack-mounted setups, where in this rack you had multiple products, right from amplifier, pre-amplifier, cassette player, CD player, turntable, everything was stacked one over the other. Now obviously, it was one of the best vintage memory that you will have with the stereo setup, but unfortunately, in modern times, these are not very viable, and they are not viable for four reasons. The first one is the lack of space. We all know how important the real estate value is today, so we cannot afford to lose that space on these big giant racks. The second reason is the technologies like cassette players and CD players, which have become obsolete. The third reason is the paradigm shift to digital streaming as a service to enjoy music. And the fourth and the main reason is that when you have these rack mounted systems which have multiple components, the cost is going to start climbing up high and high. And that is where the need of a simple compact stereo setups which does not compromise on the same sound quality that used to get with the rack mounted is now the need of the hour. And that is where one such product that we got in our office right now is the Arcam SA45. Now Arcam's Radia series is the new series which has got fantastic design, and in spite of not just being great in the design, they've also taken care of the inside specifications. So let's dive more in this product and figure out how it can solve the needs of the modern day hi-fi stereo listener. Now, first of all, when you look at any amplifier, what you want to have is a great amplification control. And that is where the powerful Class G amplification of Arcam SA45 comes into picture. It delivers 180 watts per channel into 8 ohms and 300 watts into 4 ohms, and that too with a very minimal harmonic distortion of 0.002%. This ensures that there is ample power for your demanding speakers. The second highlight of Arcam SA45 is the advanced DAC technology. It features the latest ESS Hyperstream IV DAC, which is in a balanced configuration with advanced jitter elimination. It provides high resolution audio playback, and you have got dual mono DACs for both the speakers. Then we have comprehensive connectivity. You are now looking at products which can be connected to TV if required, and that is where Arcam has got HDMI ER compatibility along with multiple digital and analog inputs. It has also got MM and MC phono stages, and they have got balanced as well as unbalanced subwoofer outputs. So it is pretty neat when it comes to connectivity, with ample inputs and outputs available in the XLR, which is the balanced configuration, as well as unbalanced configuration. The next advantage of the Arcam SA45 is that it comes with the Dirac Live Room Correction, which is not just for the higher bandwidth, but it also takes care of the bass control so that you can optimize the sound performance based on your room acoustic. The next advantage of the Arcam SA45 is the high resolution display. It boasts an 8.8 inches high resolution display for clear visualization of album artwork as well as metadata. And the last and the most important objective of any streaming amplifier is to help you achieve multiple streaming options. So be it Apple AirPlay, Google Cast, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, Roon Readiness, it has got everything that one would look for in any streaming amplifier. Now let us understand some of the most revolutionary technologies that you will see in the Arcam SA45. The first one is the dual mono DAC. Now what do I mean by dual mono DAC? Well, the DAC that you get typically in most of the amplifiers is the one which is taking care of the audio conversion for both the channels. Whereas with the Arcam's dual mono DAC, you have now got a special DAC for the left channel, different DAC for the right channel speaker, ensuring that the sound stage is far more better. There is very less distortion or less mixing of sound channels of left and the right together. So that is where a dual mono DAC will always bring in a far more superior performance compared to a standard DAC. The next highlighting feature of the Arcam SA45 is the Snapdragon Sound. Now Snapdragon is Qualcomm's latest Bluetooth version, which ensures that you get a audiophile grade audio quality even in spite of streaming with Bluetooth. Now Bluetooth is 5.4 version, but with Snapdragon Sound, you are able to get the most better aptX audio quality from this amplifier, which counts for lower latency. So So especially when you're pairing it via Bluetooth to any video devices, you are sure that there is not going to be a lag in your video and the audio synchronization. The other advantages is the support for 24-bit 96 kHz audio. And lastly, the Snapdragon Sound ensures that you have got improved dynamic sound as well as clarity in the audio. The third promising feature of Arcam SA45 in terms of technology is the support for Auracast. Now, Auracast is one of the latest standards for broadcasting, especially using Bluetooth, which means that this amplifier can actually do a two-way communication for Bluetooth, where it can act as a transmitter and your headphones can act as a receiver. Now, while Bluetooth in most of the devices which are two-way, they take away the audio from the speakers and they transfer it to your headphones. But in the case of Arcam SA45, due to Auracast, you can now listen to headphone as well as listen to the speakers. So for instance, if you've got someone who has got hearing aid, you can even connect those hearing aid buds to this amplifier while you can listen to the sound from your traditional speakers. So that's the advantage of Auracast. So with these three crazy technologies and an amplification which goes all the way up to 300 watts at 4 ohms, you literally throw in any speaker with this amplifier, you are bound to enjoy the sound from it. However, we tried to give you some of the best speakers that you can connect with this amplifier. And the first one has to be one of the most acclaimed brand in the hi-fi audio industry, which is Dynaudio. The Dynaudio Evoke series offers some of the best smooth highs, rich mid-range, and it has got great dynamics, especially when you connect it to the Arcam SA45. Next up, we have the B&W 700 series, where you need detailed and open wide soundstage. It has also got clean and articulate sound for both 2-channel as well as hybrid AV setups. The third in-line product that I can recommend to connect to this Arcam SA45 is the Monitor Audio Gold series, which is known for its fast, dynamic and revealing sound, which is great for both critical listening as well as emotional music sessions. Next up, we have this Italian handcrafted company called Sonus Faber, and the Soneto series are one of the best partners with the Arcam SA45 for natural mid-range, rich textures, and to those who love listening to jazz, vocals, as well as relaxed audio tracks. Now, the connections that we have done in our stereo setup is with the focal Aria Evo X N2, and the sound quality is extremely transparent and dynamic. The focal stamp tweeter promises detailed treble, which when gets forward, Arcam tends to tame it well. And the best part of this setup is the stylish design with moss green colors and the black-yellow amplifier, which connects and delivers emotionally engaging sound. Now let's talk about the pricing of Arcam SA45. Now, since it's a flagship premium product, that too from a very well-reputed brand like Arcam, it is definitely not going to be cheaper. So the price point that you should look for in this Indian market for this product is 5,29,900 rupees. Now, it also offers 5 years on-site warranty support from Arcam, which is great, especially to those of you who deserve that kind of service when you invest heavy in your product. Now, in case you're looking for a cheaper solution but still all-in-one solution, then Arcam has you covered with the lower variant of this series called the SA35 model. Now, SA again stands for streaming amplifier, and 35 is the lower number because it has got lower power output when compared to the SA45. The differentiation for both these components are there on your screen right now, but the primary highlighting factor which I would like to share with you are the power output, which stands for 120 watts for SA35 in comparison to 180 watts for SA45. The second differentiation is in the touchscreen, which is 8.8 inches in SA45, which comes down to 6 inches in SA35. And lastly, the Dirac Live full license in the SA45s get reduced to only Dirac Live Room Correction without bass control in the SA35 model. So these are the main primary differentiation factors between both the models. However, the price is marginally low. The SA35 is priced at 3,69,900 rupees in the Indian market. So in case you want to go for it to solve your hi-fi stereo needs, you can consider the SA35 model as well. Now, we have got special offers on the SA35 as well as SA45 amplifiers, and both the offers are coming in with the focal Aria Evo X N2 that are up for display over here. Now, obviously, you're going to get box pack pieces, and if you want to know the special deals, don't forget to check the link that is shared in the comments as well as in the description. Now, before we end this video, let me leave you guys with an imprint of the Arcam SA45 sound with the focal ARIA Evo XN2. So enjoy and have a great listening session while I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you the next time.